Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you how to use the Zangi Messenger app. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. First, you'll need to download or install basically Zangi Messenger from Google Play Store or App Store depending on the phone that you have. So once you install this basically, just go and open it up. So once you open it, you'll have to register into an account. So just click on register. And if you do have an account, click at the bottom, sign in. So once you do so, click here on continue, allow the notification, and here enter an example, your first and last name if you want to. Then click on continue. Here you'll have to set up a password. You can skip that for now, but it's better to do it because if you skip that option, right now you won't be able to access your account after signing in. So let me just go and create a password. You'll have to re-enter that password, click on continue, and here as you can see, you will find your number. It's basically will be your private number, and you can share this number with your friends to connect with you and to log back in into your account after signing on or signing out. You can use this number and password as well. So make sure just to click here on continue, and here you are. First of all, if you want to, you can allow access to your contacts if you want Zangi to find friends who already use the app. Just click on contacts as example. And if you find, normally once you click on something the first time, just click on allow and it will allow it. But if you click on do not allow as example, you'll find here enable access very small with the blue. Just click on it, click on settings, and make sure to enable that once they take you there. So example on contacts and click on full access or limited access. It's up to you. If you want as well, you can add a new contact at the top right by clicking on the plus icon or the plus blue icon at the top right. Enter their first name, last name, and also the Zangi number that the person shared with you. You can even add the picture if you want to as an example of that person, and they will be added as a contact. If you want, you can also call any of your contacts, or you can see even any missed calls. And here on the chat as example, you can start chatting very fast and easily by clicking again on the plus icon at the top right, and from here you can start, as example, create a group chat, add the contacts, start a new group call, and whatever you want. Even as you can see here, you can click on start a chat and you'll have to enter any number of the person that you want to chat with. So this is your number and you can click on start chat to share or to enter the number of the other person that you want to talk to, and you'll be able to chat with them with no problems. So as an example here, I'm just going to click on myself at the top, and it's just like any other contact or messenger app. So you can here, as you can see, record audio. So you'll have to allow that. As you can see, you can record it, you can send it. You have a plus icon where you can basically add a picture from gallery, from camera, share the location, a file, a contact. You'll be able to do that as well. You can even share GIFs if you want to. So you have many things to do like any other messenger app. And yeah, that will be it for me in this video. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.